News coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where a policeman posted at a Jammu and Kashmir minister's residence has reportedly gone missing along with his weapons. A policeman posted at Minister Altaf Bukhari's house in Srinagar's Sheikh Bagh area has reportedly gone missing along with 2 rifles. Constable Nasir Ahmed Pandit went missing from the police post guarding the minister's residence along with 2 AK-47 rifles and 2 magazines from the guard room last night. As per reports gathered by security agencies, Nasir fled with 3 youths who are said to have been waiting for him in a nearby locality. Nasir was recruited as a constable in 2007. Police has reportedly registered a case and started investigating along with the army and paramilitary forces. A high-level meeting of officers was also convened, and the police has issued an alert asking all security establishments across the valley to remain vigilant for any possible attack. When contacted, Director General of Police K. Rajendra confirmed the incident and said that investigations have been launched. Let's get to word from our correspondent Shuja ul Haq, who's with us on the phone lines from Srinagar. Shuja, can you share some more details with us? What exactly happened here?
Well, Simi, this has been seen as a high alert situation for the security agencies because this constable was posted at one of the senior leaders of the PD, who is also a top portfolio holder in terms of the ministries at this point of time. And this constable decamped with 2 rifles, and it's believed that he fled with 2 other youths who were waiting for him in the neighborhood. These are clear-cut signals and signs that this is probably not just a mistake, but was pre-planned, act. These are similar, similar incidents have happened in past when policemen or militants have snatched rifles from policemen who were guarding. So that option is also not being ruled out by the security agencies. They're investigating it, but an alert has been sounded all across, and most of the security agencies and the personnel involved have been told to be extra vigilant and look out for possibilities of attacks in and around Srinagar with this incident keeping in mind.
Shuja, thanks so much for that. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.